Hi guys, finally going to have a look at the tank, see if we can put this receiver in it. I've already taken the top off and had a quick look inside, and there is a problem. This one gives us, well, they call it 6 channels, forwards, backwards, left, right, and we can turn the turret left and right, so that's actually 6 channels. What we don't have is the 7th and 8th channel to make the barrel go up and down. I thought it didn't go up and down, but I've had a quick look inside. And I can see we've got a motor in there as well. So we've got one motor here that makes the turret turn. And we've got another one in there that actually makes the barrel go up and down. So we're going to be a bit short. We're a couple of channels short. I think what I'll do is I will still fit this in here so we can see it go forwards and backwards. But we're not going to, well, and make the turret rotate, but we're not going to actually be able to make the barrel go up and down. So it'll be 75% complete. From the looks of it, I should be able to just sit this straight in here. I think there'll be enough room without it fouling up here, possibly. I don't think I can fit it any further back because that bit there will be in that area. I'm just wondering if I can leave the receiver in place for now. We've also got LEDs coming off the receiver there and a speaker, so obviously it has sound effects. And it would be nice to actually operate the sound effects. That's the aerial wire. It looks a bit chewed up for some reason. Probably got stuck somewhere. Maybe in the rotation mechanism. Battery. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5? Look. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1.5 volt batteries. So that's 9 volts. And that receiver is supposed to be good for up to 12 volts. It says 6 to 12 volts on it, I think, or 6 to 15, I think. So we should be able to just, yeah, 6 to 15, actually says on the circuit board there. So we should be all right with 9 volts. So I should just be able to, I could cut the wires off or desolder them. They just screw into these, so I don't need to solder them in here. And we should be able to get it running. But we won't have the sound effects, we won't have the lights. I could rig up the lights, but I won't for now. And we won't have the barrel going up and down. Right, I have done the bare minimum. I've just desoldered the wires off the circuit board, and then they just screw into these terminals. Same with the battery. So at the moment it's directly wired, it doesn't go through the on-off switch, which is underneath, so I'll have to remember to take the batteries out. But just move that along a little bit so you can see the controller. So turret, left and right. And then if I lift it up, left, yeah, it did that to me when I tried it out just now. The actual track came apart, so I have to do something with that. And then on the other one, that one seems all right. So it just sort of goes together. It looks like that piece there probably shouldn't be split. Oh, you can't see, sorry. That bit there probably shouldn't have a split in it. That probably should go through a hole rather than on a split. In fact, it looks like it's split on both sides. Anyway, I'll push it back together for now. At least we should be able to go forwards and backwards if I'm gentle with it. Right, I've done my laziest fix possible on the track. I super glued it. I suspect it's probably just the age of the rubber that it's lost its strength. Still, we should be able to get it running. Well, that seems to work. I guess we've got to put a little camera on it and have a little drive around with it now. That'll please Nanny. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.